Now I'm going to teach you how to transfer money to your Palmpay account. How to transfer money to your Palmpay account from other accounts. Now, I can decide to link a bank account, which I've taught in the previous lessons, how to link a bank account, which is to connect your bank account to your Palmpay through the app or the website. And I can also fund my Palmpay account by using a debit card, which I've added, which I showed you also in a previous lesson on how to add your debit card to your Palmpay account. Once you do that, you can transfer funds from your card to your Palmpay account. Then you can also use mobile money services like maybe Airtel Money or MTN Mobile Money to transfer funds to your Palmpay account. You can also do bank transfer, initiate a bank transfer from your bank account to your Palmpay account using the provided account details. You can also do a cash deposit where you visit a designated Palmpay agent location and deposit cash into your Palmpay account. You can also use online payment services like PayPal or Skrill to transfer funds to your Palmpay account. Then lastly, you can use the Palmpay USSD code, which is *898# to transfer money to your Palmpay account. So that's it. So in case you don't know nearest agents close to you, on the services we have nearby agent. You select it to show you the customer access. It should show you the list of nearby agents to your location, so you can know for physical deposits of cash into your Palmpay account. So you choose the one, you choose the state, the ones over here, confirm it, choose the local government, and to show you the nearby agents close to you, so you can go and deposit your cash there, which will be transferred into your Palmpay account. So that's it.